Okay, this is all about fill color. We have another thing called stroke, the color of the lines, outer lines. So you can see fill color and exactly all of that swatches, colors, gradient for a stroke, a round object. So you can create a stroke again from here, or it's better to use it from here because we have a lots of sitting there. Okay, first we are going to the color, go to the here and activate a stroke. For example, black. This is our stroke. You can see around that. And we're going to the stroke. From this, you can no line to a stroke, simple line. You can change the width of that. Very simple. For a cap, I will show you with this. Don't worry, I will be explaining it more, but you can create a simple line, something like this, and you can see automatically add a stroke to that. Then you can go to, you can go to stroke setting, select that, cap of here. You can make it round, you can make it something like this or this. You can see based on line, you can choose that. The caps go exactly at the end of line or a little bit further or with a round. A joint of here can be round, can be this, can be like exactly sharp. Miter, you can add lower number of miter or higher number to see the miter. Yeah, the high number. Now we can create our miter tips here. Align, it's very important. You can see this is an outline and the stroke goes exactly in between them. You can assign the stroke to inside or outside. To better see that, it's better see in here. So this is a stroke, because in that stroke we have just a line. For seeing alignment, you need to the fill color, because this is a fill color and you can see the stroke is over fill color. You can make it completely inside, completely outside. Nice. And you can change the caps. Okay, the caps here you cannot see that. The order of that, it is draw a stroke behind the color. You can see better here, behind the hat or over that. You can order here. You can see that better. Okay, you can see a stroke is over the fill color. You can make it behind of that, over of that. You can see this is a fill color. This is a border of our object. Okay, this line. Scale with object. You can see if it's turned on, the stroke color is locked to this width that we assign. But if we scale with the object, look at this, it's automatically increase or decrease based on the scaling object. Maybe it's useful. I think it's useful. Always turn it on. And here you can change another thing here, dashed line. Nice. You can see all, it's like a dashed line. In a dashed line, you can create dashed 1, 1, 0, 0. Anything that you want, you can make it 2 dash. It means it's the length of dash. Then a space to the 1, you can make it a space to the 3. Then another dash, a space to, I think it's, you have to make it to, this is length of dashed, between the space between the, another length dash between dash, space between them, another dash line, and you can create your dash. Okay, it's better see to a long line. You can see. So this color is for length of dash, a space between them, length of another dash between them, length of another, and you can see these are lengths These are a space between. That's it. For arrow, you can see that this this is an first and this is an end. You can create arrow at start, end, any arrow here that you want. You can make the arrow outside of line or inside of line. It's very simple. You can swap it. You can clear it. Interesting. Very easy. You can so here you can create an arrow out, make with the stroke. Another kind of a stroke is pass brush. If you open the pass brush, you have to go to the pass brush and just click on this. These are all pass brush that will show you later. Can see? You can also give a stroke to that. Make it pass brush and select the brush that you want. Powerful. We have lots of brush here, okay? So you can assign your stroke based on these brushes. Open this list. Nice. So we can create an interesting things there. And we have an object that we can convert these to shape. You can see this is a line and this is an outside of this, okay? You can go to the vector and convert object. So sorry, it's a convert object to the artboard. Here is expand extrude. Oh, sorry. I think with this stroke we cannot. Just select that, sorry, and expand extrude. Now it's because it's shapes. Expand extrude does not work with brushes. This is a pass brush here, okay? Now you can see with a stroke we had an object. So learn it in the vector, expand stroke. And now you can go to the here, I will show you more, and you can edit your work very easily. Okay, so we have three kind of stroke with a pass brush, dash, and simple line. With a simple line, you can create a shape out of your stroke always, not on a pass brushes.